Is it possible to win your dream car just by doing affiliate marketing online? The answer is yes. I'm going to show you how right now. Hey, what's up everybody? Anthony Morrison here, and today I want to show you how you can have your own dream car using nothing but the power of affiliate marketing. And look, I didn't say how you could go finance it or how you can, how you can afford to buy your dream car or anything like that. The method that I'm going to show you will actually allow you to win your dream car just by promoting someone else's product online. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing and maybe you just clicked on this video because you like fast cars and making money online, then here's a quick breakdown. Affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's product or service, okay? So the creators of these products give you a special link, right? People can click on, and every time one of your subscribers or your readers or your visitors or your friends or whatever clicks on that link and makes a purchase using that link, you get a commission for that sale. You don't have to invent a product. You don't have to handle shipping or customer support. You don't even need to build a website or a sales page. You literally just find great products, you promote them, you send traffic their way, and ultimately when you make sales, you get paid commissions. So what does this have to do with winning a dream car, and what am I talking about how you can have your very own dream car, right? Well, there's a handful of companies out there where if you generate enough purchases and enough members for them, they'll really give you some really spectacular prizes, and some of those happen to be what we call dream cars, right? Now, I'm not going to get into all of the companies that are out there. I mean, if you'd like to see a list of all of these, you can simply Google, dream car affiliate programs, and you'll find a number of them, right? But today what I want to do is I want to talk to you about the one that I personally have the most experience in. And it's the simplest sign-up process. It's the one I believe just about anybody can do because this product serves so many uses, so many different people and companies and things would actually use this product. It's called ClickFunnels, and it's one of the most powerful funnel and website builders on the planet. And their Dream Car program is pretty incredible. All you need to get is 100 users on their platform, and not only are you going to earn a nice monthly commission, but you'll get paid every month to buy your dream car. And the thing I love about ClickFunnels is it's virtually unknown to most people. Now, if you just heard me say that and you thought to yourself, come on, Anthony, everybody's heard of ClickFunnels. I thought you were going to let me in on something new. Well, look, if that's you, I'm pretty excited to share this information with you. I just looked at, look, here's the thing. It's kind of incredible when you really start to look at this. I just looked it up, and a few minutes ago, according to ClickFunnels' website, they have about 70,000 users. If that sounds like a lot, compare that to the millions of people that use Weebly and Wix and Squarespace and these other builders, right? The problem most people have when they promote ClickFunnels is they're all promoting it to the same people, right? I mean, look, other affiliate and digital marketers may have already heard of ClickFunnels. That's why you need to actually be promoting this to businesses who are less likely to be watching the same videos as you or listening to the same podcast you listen to. And that's really the first step to winning your dream car, okay? So step number one is find a market that doesn't know that they need you, right? Most affiliate marketers will try to promote ClickFunnels by finding people who need a sales funnel or a sales funnel software. What they don't realize is that this group of people is extremely small, and you're competing against some of the biggest brands and the biggest names out there. Instead, find business owners who don't even know that they need a sales funnel. Think about it. Maybe you have a handful of friends in the service industry that maybe own a landscaping or a handyman business. I'll bet you they have absolutely no idea how powerful a simple, well-designed funnel would be to help them generate leads. Or what if you know people in the fitness industry, personal trainers, yoga instructors, diet specialists? These are people who would love a simple way to book appointments where they don't have to fuss around with WordPress sites and all these third-party extensions. And look, the list goes on and on and on and on and on. Real estate agents, people looking to sell their products online, coffee shops. The point is, find business owners outside of the digital marketing space who are probably frustrated and struggling with this whole website and marketing side of their business. That's the key to finding and growing your business, right? By generating more and more sales from people who, again, didn't even know they needed it. And that's what leads me to step two. So now you've found a particular niche or a type of business owner that you'd like to talk to. It's time to create some sample templates for them. And this is the really exciting part. Inside of ClickFunnels, you're going to get access to loads of done-for-you templates to literally just copy and paste, change up the text, and use as your own. Now, this is why it's important to choose just one niche. Even though it's easy to grab templates for, say, a realtor and another template for a coffee shop and so on and so forth, you can easily get distracted and spend all of your time running 100 different directions, right? It's much smarter to pick one niche, let's just say landscapers, then build a handful of templates for all the landscaping companies in your area, okay? And that's what brings me to step number 3. In this step, we're going to be contacting the people who we want to share these personalized funnels with. And the great part about this is we don't have to actually sell them on anything. We're actually going to give them something. This is what we call leading with value. If they don't want to use it, they'll just simply ignore you and they'll say no, which is absolutely fine. But if they like it, ClickFunnels will let them try out their funnel for free for 14 days before making a commitment. So if they get a free funnel from you, plus 14 days to try it out for free, I mean, seriously, how easy does it sound to get people interested? Okay, so you've picked your niche, you've made some funnels for local businesses, you've reached out to those local businesses, and now step 4, it's time to scale. What I love about step 4 is you're simply expanding your radius. Remember, all you need is 100 people to sign up from anywhere in the world, right? And ClickFunnels will send you cash towards your dream car. Now, if this excites you, but you're feeling a little bit overwhelmed, maybe you're thinking, okay, Anthony, this sounds great, but I really don't know the first thing about how to build a funnel. Or you'd like some assistance in finding people who have never heard of ClickFunnels and promoting the software to them, right? I've recently opened the doors to a program that's designed to find people who have never heard of ClickFunnels. This is virtually an untapped market and a program that not only can I show you exactly how to promote ClickFunnels, but in some cases, I actually do a lot of it for you. Now, how is that possible? Well, it's all part of my partnership program where I plug you into the very funnel that I use for my business, promoting products that I've recommended for the last 15 years, products that have awarded me my own dream cars over and over and over again, right? But when you partner with me, you'll be the one that's actually earning the commissions and getting the signups on all these products that are promoted. Now, you can check it out by clicking the link right below this video, but here's what's cool. The Partner with Anthony program is designed for people who are beginners, people who haven't done this before, people who don't have ClickFunnels, people who don't have all of the things, that everybody tells us we need and that we already know because we watch videos like this. It's designed to find those local business owners or those people who are looking to take their local business or their brick and mortar business online. And it's designed to educate them on why they should do it and how they should do it. And in the process, we sell them ClickFunnels because ClickFunnels is a product that makes total and complete sense for us. In fact, let's go to my computer screen right now. I'm going to show you what it looks like to get a dream car on ClickFunnels. So let's check this out on my computer screen. So here we go. And you'll see this is the affiliate program for ClickFunnels right here. And if you look right here, it says with 100 active members, you get an extra $500 a month commission that you are supposed to spend towards your dream car. So you go find a car, whatever specific car that you want. You have $500 extra dollars every single month that ClickFunnels will send you towards paying for that car. And if you get 200 active members, you get $1,000 a month towards your dream car. So you can see right now that I currently have 2,075 active members on ClickFunnels. So I am well beyond the dream car level. And they send me an extra $1,000 every single month that I can use to pay towards my own car, like whatever car I want. And that's what I think is so powerful about this. And what I want to do is show you how I promote ClickFunnels and allow you to tap in, partner with me, and do it in the exact same way that I'm doing it in. You've seen my results. Now, I'll always tell you this, my results are my results. I'm not guaranteeing you millions of dollars or thousands of dollars or even $1, right? What I am telling you is there's a lot of buzz out there. There's a lot of nonsense going on in the online space of people telling you all these different things you can do to make money on the internet. The best way that you can ever accomplish being successful online, find a great product, lead with value, help people, and in turn, earn a commission from it, earn revenue from it, build your business leading with value and great products, right? And that's what we do, and that's what we'd love to share with you and show you how to do. So if you're interested in doing this, if you'd like to work with the ClickFunnels affiliate program and some of the other affiliate programs that we work with, and tap into our ecosystem, there's a link right below this video. Click it right now. It's the Partner with Anthony program. It's literally a few dollars. You're going to see it's not like one of these multi-$1,000 programs. But what it does is it lets you tap right into the exact funnels, the exact mechanism, the exact ecosystem that we're using every single day to generate more revenue from these different affiliate programs and from the different offers.